Good afternoon, my name is Viridiana Villarreal and I will be presenting on the website edX. To begin with, we have come a long way from our technology and our educational evolving along with technology. Along with this growth, educational capabilities are growing and changing every single day. These advances mean a new bigger platform for teachers to use. As seen in the picture, we have come from pencil, textbooks, and chalkboards to laptops and smartphones and even Google Chromebooks in our classrooms. Many districts are now providing students with laptops or iPads which they can take home and complete homework on new popular platforms such as Google Classrooms. Chromebooks are, as well as online platforms, have become helpful tools providing resources with which to learn. And not only do they present information in different ways, but this new technology also engages students with interactive lessons and prepares them for an increasingly digital workforce. So, what is edX? edX is a free online course website which offers courses for learners all around the world. The website is partnered with over 120 institutions, including some top schools such as MIT, Berkeley, and Harvard. edX offers a wide variety of courses, as seen in the picture to your right, such as psychology, biology, computer science, etc. This website is one of many examples of an open source platform which brings together courses from around the world to enhance learning today. So, how would I incorporate edX in the classroom? My goal is to become a Spanish dual immersion teacher or a Spanish teacher for middle school or high school. And I would use the edX website because there are many courses and videos taught in Spanish which can help me create a small type of flipped classroom approach, or they can be used as supplemental material for in-class instruction or homework. As a foreign language teacher, I know that language and culture are interwoven together. So it is my duty to bring this language to life in a meaningful and tangible manner for my students. So one way to achieve this would be by having a flipped classroom. Students will be able to review Spanish lessons overnight. They can come to class and we can talk about what was taught. We can practice Spanish. They can practice their comprehension skills of what was previously taught the night before, and I think it's a better approach for a language classroom because that way any doubts or any questions or about conjugations or anything that students may have, they can address them on the spot. And on the other hand, if I were to use edX for supplemental material, I would assign homework to watch a video of their choice, and they can practice their listening skills as well as comprehension through a collaborative assignment that can be completed on Google Classrooms, and they can check in with other students to see if they understood what was taught in the different language. For example, the second picture right here, it says Creación Musical con SoundCool, which translates to musical creation with SoundCool. So students are not only learning or practicing to read in Spanish, but they're also learning how to create music with this new app called SoundCool. Also, if we're, let's say, learning about Don Quixote, then they can go online and they can read about it. And it's just a new, better approach rather than learning articles or reading articles that have nothing to do with what we're learning. If students would also like to learn more about cultural aspects or just practice their Spanish, there's also basic Spanish courses that are available for students to practice. And the website edX in the 21st century is used to promote and reinforce a digital literacy curriculum. So creating a digital literacy curriculum can be based on students' developmental stages, and we as educators should be aware of both the risks, such as distractions, and the learning opportunities that technology integration in the classroom may provide. It facilitates collaborative work because students can use so many different platforms to work together, and just creates this idea that students can collaborate and come up with bigger ideas at home.